Hi everybody from John's Model Works. Here we are with the USS Kelvin once again. At this point in the build, we have completed using the Aztec dummy paint masks for most of the ship. So as you can see, we have removed them and left behind the top color for the painting. This is the light gray that is here, 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 and here, 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 all over the place. So for the light gray, I did as I said in the last video. I used the Aztec dummy masks in different positions on the saucers, and we got this light gray Aztecing pattern. For the saucers, for the hulls, I did a little bit different. You can see that I followed the panel lines using Parafilm M and came up with this pattern. So I kind of like this a little bit better than what I had before with the Aztec dummy patterns. You can still see the Aztec dummy patterns there as the dark gray in the background, but I kind of like this a little bit better. It follows the actual panel lines in the ship. I think it just works better for these pieces of the ship. As you can see, we're doing just fine with this. The other thing that we've done is we have installed the impulse engine piece. This is a solid clear piece back here. So for that, I snapped off all of the fiber optic pieces that were sticking out there, cut them flush with the saucer, and glued this clear piece on. There was an Aztec dummy paint mask piece that fits right in here, where it's got to come out, where the light's got to come out. So I just put that in there, shot it with the same medium gray that I was dust coating over the whole top of this ship, and I was done. Yeah, so to make it a little clearer, after you get done using the Aztec dummy paint masks and you've put on the light gray, you mix up some very dilute medium gray, the base color, and you just mist the whole thing just to tone down the Aztecing so it doesn't look so sharp, so it's got a little bit of a softer hue to it. But anyway, that's where we are with the USS Kelvin here at John's Model Works. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.